Sheesh, it's your boy Ben. We back with another video. You guys know the vibes. Come on, it's part 3 of the summer shredding series. Come on. So yeah, it's about 1 in the afternoon right now, so a little late to it, but we got a big leg day today. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. But yo, let's get a little physique update for the boys. Waiting this morning around 160. But yo, that's the physique update for you guys. That's how we're looking. Weighing around 160. I think my lower stomach area, right there, is getting a little bit leaner. So yeah, that's what I've noticed so far. Kind of breaking out, whatever. I already ate breakfast and lunch, so I guess I'll see you guys in the pre-workout meal. Then we'll hit some freaking legs, alright? But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the pre-workout meal. And we're back for the pre-workout meal. You guys already know. We got a whole bowl of popcorn. See the popcorn skis? Whole bowl of popcorn. And a protein lava cake. Just some whey protein, a whole egg, and a little bit of egg whites. I'll give you guys a little taste test. You can't beat it. You cannot beat it. So yeah, that's the pre-workout meal. We got popcorn and a lava cake. Pretty solid, pretty solid. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the pre-workout dry scoop. And then we gonna smash some legs. Let's get it. Bye.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah. Yeah, you're the light inside of me every night. We're chasing dreams, ain't got time to make 'em see what we believe. You and me, yeah.
And we're back from the gym. Got some half natty lighting in here because my ceiling light is not working. So yeah, as you can see, we have our peanut butter here, or as I like to call it, some anabolic peanut butter. It's 2 servings of PB2, 1 scoop of protein powder, some cinnamon, some sweetener, and then we got the apples. I put way too much cinnamon, as you can see. Let's get a little taste test for you guys. Oh yeah, this peanut butter is good. It's actually my first time making that, but it's pretty solid. Yeah, it's the post-workout meal. It's like a scoop of protein, 2 servings of PB2. So plenty of protein, and the apples, you already know what post-workout apples do. Come on now. But yeah, let's go over the workout. So on squat, which is the main thing you probably want to hear about, I didn't feel too hot today. I'm still probably recovering from my 315 for 8 from last week. So I wasn't feeling too hot. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go for like a 10 rep max. So I did 300. I tried to do 300 for 10, which is still pretty hard considering I did 315 for 8. I did 300 and I only got 8, and I went to failure. I couldn't get any more. If I went down again, I would not have got it. So, but I did like a back off set where I did 275 for 11, which was to failure as well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. But my quads are pretty messed up, which is good because it means I'm growing, you know. By the way, I know that this lighting makes my gyno pop like crazy, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? When I get a lot leaner, the gyno should go away. I mean, it's not gonna go away, but it should look a lot better. I don't really care though, bro. Comment sexy gyno if you're seeing this. comment sexy gyno right now. But yeah, that's a wrap on episode 3 of the summer shredding series. I'm feeling leaner. I'm feeling leaner. I might not look leaner, but I'm feeling leaner, so that's good. My weight is dropping very slowly, which is good. And I am looking at shows right now, so I might even compete and get super lean. If you guys want to see that, be sure to let me know if you want to see me compete. But that is going to do it for the video. You guys already know where to go. In the description, if you need coaching or a customized training program, I will customize the program just for you. We'll get on a call, talk about your goals, and I'll customize you a program based on that. Fitletic's best clothing in the game right now. Code BENS to support your boy. You guys need to subscribe if you're new. Come on, go follow my gram, BenXSag. And yo, comment for the algo. You guys never comment. But yo, I'm dipping. Peace!